We are taking off to explore
3, 2,
Huntsville, Alabama's most interesting offices.
1. And liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. A final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Wilson's Office Supply here with Hey Hsv, our blog, vlog. Today we're going to discuss the actual cost involved in a new desk purchase. I needed a new desk here at Wilson's before we acquired this section of the building. I was in a desk which was not very pleasant. Aesthetically, it was boring. It was starting to fall apart. Some of the screws started just showing up. They'd still be in the side of the desk, but there'd be a piece of particle board missing from it, so you could actually see the side view of the screw. This brown color, old. It was very old. It was just not a very fun desk to work at. Let's talk about the cost incurred to the dealer. Shipping, manufacturer, from their warehouse to their storefront. Domestic versus foreign. If the dealer can purchase large quantities of that desk or something like that, they're going to be charged less, hopefully. Pre-assembled or flat boxed. Pre-assembled, it's going to take up more space than an 18-wheeler, so there's going to be less space for other shipments. The cost incurred to you, the consumer, first one, sales tax, you're not going to really get out of that one. Everybody's going to be taxed. Assembly charges, national office suppliers, they're going to charge $80 to $200 depending on the size of the desk or the complexity of the desk. Remember to factor in the time as a cost, because it's going to take probably anywhere from 1 hour to 6 hours. It just take a while to put together. The next thing that is going to be incurred to you as far as cost is delivery charges. Factor that in. Depending on the furniture dealer, you could haul it yourself. Factor in the hassle of picking it up, getting a buddy with you to haul it with you, that time that's going to cost you when you could be doing something else. National office suppliers will hire out third-party assemblers and installers. Installation is going to be a charge that you could be that could be tacked on. Also, it's differing from assembly, and that it refers to getting the desk or furniture actually set up in the room where you're going to use it. Think of delivery as the desk going from the dealer to your place, and installation as your place to the exact place, because this is where the any final assembling needs to be done, as well as positioning the furniture. There's a lot of time involved with furniture. We know there's a lot of time involved, so you want to minimize that as much as possible, because if you don't, it's going to cut into the money. You could be doing something else with that time. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I want to mention. That's about it. Definitely come to our showroom. We have a bunch of furniture collections. We don't charge anything for assembly, shipping, installation. We don't charge any fees for those kinds of things. We do that all of ourselves. You don't have to call another number and rearrange a time. Next day is usually about when we can get your desk installed, assembly and all. Thank you for listening, and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.
The deepest grandeur of our universe. Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action. Houston now controlling Atlanta.